We'll get started today on our backs. So go ahead and make your way down. Knees will be bent, feet are flat on the floor. And as you come onto your back, just take a moment to arrive, either letting go of your day or just getting started for your day. Wherever you are, take this moment here to be present, to feel your body held and supported by the mat beneath you. You'll bring your hands to your rib cage, so right hand over the right ribs, left hand over the left. Relax the muscles in your face. Relax your jaw, relax your neck, relax your shoulders. Start to breathe in and out through the nose. And as you do so, think about sending your breath into your ribs. So every breath in, you're creating space between the ribs. Every breath out, empty the ribs, empty the lungs completely. Inhale. Find space, find expansion. Exhale, everything gently knit back together, maybe feeling the abs gently start to wake up. Take a few more breaths. Take one more breath here. Exhale completely, and then lower your arms down by your sides. Press your lower back down into the mat, and then using your feet, start to lift the hips up, pushing the feet down, coming into a bridge. As you exhale, slowly lower down one vertebrae at a time. We'll do that again. Press the lower back down, push through the feet, lift the hips up, gently squeeze the glutes at the top. And then exhale, lower all the way down. You can keep your arms by your sides or out of reach with the arms. So as you lift the hips up, lift your arms overhead, reach them all the way behind you. Knees are reaching forward. And then exhale, everything lowers back to your starting position. Do two more with or without the arms, keeping space between your chest and your chin. One more here. Lower it all the way down and relax. From here, pick your feet off of the mat, stacking your knees above your hips. We're going to try to keep our pelvis in a neutral position. So neutral spine and neutral pelvis. We have a little bit of space under the lower back. If you need to come into imprint at any time, flattening the lower back, you're welcome to do so. Take your arms out in a T shape. Engaging the abs here. Start to lower the right foot down, maybe the toes tap, maybe not, and then use the strength of your abs to pull your knee back up in line with the left. And switch. Lower the left, lift it up. Again, reach through the right, and up, and left, right, and left. Now you can continue to alternate or bring both legs together so they're glued like one leg, lower them at the same time. Only going as low as you can keep the lower back protected and the abs engaged. Once you feel the back start to arch, back off just a bit. Use your abs to bring the legs back up. Let's go for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Take both legs straight up to the sky now. Curl your chin into your chest, lift your head, neck, and shoulders up, and catch your right leg. Lower your left leg down to a hover. You can always lower your head back down toward the mat. Take a breath in here. As you exhale, switch, scissoring the legs. Here, the lower back will be in imprint, so think about pressing the lower back down, abs engaged. And switch. You can take this as slowly or as quickly as you would like, moving with the breath, keeping the leg right in line with the hip, guiding each leg with the hands. You can also do this with bent knees if that feels more comfortable. Let's go for 6, 5. You've got 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Hug your knees into your chest. Lower down. You can gently rock from side to side. Finding your way back to center, lower your right foot down. Bring your left leg into this tabletop position. Interlace your hands behind your head. As you lift your head up, elbows are wide. Take a moment to really relax your head into your hands so that you're not straining any of your neck muscles. As you breathe in, think about extending back. So maybe you lower your head back down to the floor as you reach the left leg out long. As you breathe out, curl the left leg in, lift your upper body, reach your right elbow across. Now, in addition to your elbow coming across, I also want you to think about taking your right rib across to your left hip so that we're not just moving through the elbow. So, inhale, extend out. Exhale, and twist. Let's go for 4, 3, 2, last one. Good, lower your left foot down. Same thing, other side. Bring your right leg to a tabletop position. Inhale, reach it out. Exhale, curl it in, twist across to the right. Inhale, out. Exhale, in. You've got 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Come back to center. Lower your right foot down. Let's heel to the feet wider apart. Take your arms out in a T shape. Just rock the knees from side to side. And then you'll find your way back to center. Go ahead and extend your legs all the way out and take your feet as wide as the edges of your mat. Arms go up alongside your ears. Take a breath in here. As you breathe out, chin to chest to lengthen the back of your neck, abs engaged. Start to lift the arms up, roll through the upper body. Carefully roll yourself up to a seated position. Feet are pointed. Take a moment to stretch over the legs. You can round through your spine. And then sit up tall once again. Flex your feet. Tuck the hips under. Soften your spine here. Pull the abs back. Slowly resist as you lower all the way back down. And then reach your arms overhead. So a Pilates roll up. Let's go again. Breathe in. Exhale, chin to chest, abs in. Lift the arms. Roll the upper body. Spine is soft. Sit up tall through your spine. And then reach over, stretch. Sit up once again. Flex the feet. They're kind of acting as brakes here. Tuck the hips under, squeezing the glutes. Engage the abs as you slowly lower down. Let's do this 3 more times. Take a breath in. Exhale, chin to chest, abs in. Roll up. Stretch over. Sit tall. Flex the feet. Tuck the hips. Lower all the way down. 2 more. Last one here. And then we'll do kind of a half one. So take a breath in, tuck your chin to your chest, roll yourself up halfway. Once you sit up tall, go ahead and bend your knees. Feet are flat on the floor, about hip width apart. Lengthen up through your spine. Take your arms out in front. Breath in right here. As you exhale, same concept. So tuck the hips under, belly draws in. You're making the C shape with your spine. Roll back about halfway. Now open the left arm, reach back, engaging the obliques here. Twist. Unwind, come forward, open the right arm, twist, come back in front. Use your abs here to pull yourself back up and re-lengthen your spine. Do that again. Tuck the hips under, roll it back, pause, open with the right arm first. Unwind, open the left, unwind, engage the abs, bring it all the way up. Let's do that 2 more times, starting on each side. So abs in, roll it back, pause, open, left arm, center, and right, center. Squeeze the abs, bring yourself back up. Last time, roll it down, pause, open the right arm, center, left, center. Bring it all the way up and relax. Good. Go ahead and flip over or swing the legs around. We're going to make our way into a forearm plank. So you'll drop down onto the forearms. Shoulders are right above the elbows. You can either have your hands clasped together or separate the palms. Palms will be flat. Step the feet back. Keep your hips in line with your spine. In that same vein, keep your head in line with your spine. So try not to drop the head down and let it be heavy. Engage the abs and just breathe. Also think about pushing your elbows against the mat so that you're not collapsing into the shoulders. Squeezing the abs, the arms, the back, the glutes, pressing back through the heels. You can hold here or start to dip the knees down and then extend for 2, 3, 4. You've got 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold here. Bring your feet closer together. Dip your hips to the right. Swing them over to the left for 2, 3, 4. You've got 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Come back to center. Drop the knees. Lower yourself down. Make a pillow with your hands. Rest one cheek. Kick your heels in towards your glutes and let the legs windshield wipe from side to side. Finding your way back to center. Lower the feet down. This time, extend your arms out in front of you. Press down through the hips. Try to engage your abs from this position. As you breathe in, lift your right arm and your left leg. Exhale to lower. And switch. Inhale, lift left arm and right leg. And lower. Again, right arm, left leg. And lower. Left arm, right leg. And lower. You can continue to alternate or lift both arms and both legs. Hold here or start to swim, pumping the arms and the legs for 10, 9, abs are in 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Make a pillow with your hands. Turn your head the opposite way. Kick your heels in towards your glutes. Legs sway from side to side. Bring your legs back to center, lower the feet down, slide your hands back in line with your chest. Carefully press yourself up, and then bring your hips back to your heels. Stretch it out in child's pose. Lift yourself up once again. Make your way to a comfortable seat, sitting tall through your spine. Stacking your shoulders right above your hips. Take the arms up. As you breathe out, right hand down to the mat, left arm sweeps up. Find a good side stretch. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, take it to the left. Inhale, reach up. Find a twist. Right hand behind you, left hand over to the right leg. Breathe in, lengthen through your spine. Exhale, gently turn. Unwind, take the arms up. Exhale, take it to the left. Right hand to left knee, left hand behind your back. Unwind, take the arms up. Exhale all the way out. Roll the shoulders back and relax. And that is it for today. Great job. We'll see you next time.